Hey guys, Mac Jeffy here, welcome back to another video. Today a package has come, so let's see what's inside it. And here it is, Satisfaction Guaranteed Volume 1. So there's Kaori over there, and there's Shima. And here's the front of it, spine, and the back. And there's like other mangas you can get. Peach Girl. And Chibi Vampire. Replay. And yeah, that was my unboxing on Satisfaction Guaranteed Volume 1. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment down below, and I'll see you in another video. Bye everyone.